Oh, baby, does that sun feel good. Ah, yeah, beautiful day here. No humidity, light breeze. We are at, we're going to breakfast. Over here, General Luna, Neverland. Michael Jackson's Neverland, right? We've eaten here before. One thing about this restaurant, it is, I would say, your best restaurant when it comes to an English style breakfast. Pancakes, French toast, eggs, nice selection, of course, coffee, everything like that. But Neverland, it's a really nice restaurant. We were here when it originally opened up about a year and a half or so ago. But yeah, they have eggs, Spanish omelets, cheese omelets. Here's your list. $2.80, classic pancakes, chocolate chip, walnut pancakes, English breakfast. They've got it. And of course, Philippines breakfast. Anyways, guys, like I said, very nice place. The music died, and we were singing bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee. Good music also. I'm just gonna walk down here. I think I walked down here one other time. Like I said, I drive down through here. You gotta pay attention. CFC, Family Resto. A lot of these are new, some have come and gone. CNC, fish and chips. Nice restaurant, huh? Hello, good morning. This restaurant new? I thought so. I'll have to give it a try. Thank you. Yeah, I have to give it a try. I come down here and 49 pesos for rum and Coke. This is nice. Wow. Yeah, this is no happy hour. Salads, burgers, fish, chips, beer. Nice unisex toilet. All right, and that means everybody, even transgender. Yeah, this is nice. This is down by Cloud 9. Fruit shakes, fried chicken, fast food, happy hour. Yeah, nice. They used to have a little booth set up right around here. There's the Mad Monkey. Mad Monkey's back there. Should I walk back there? Yeah, let's walk back there. I've never been back to the Mad Monkey. And I think the Mad Monkey is known here. They used to have a little cart set up on the bridge before they stopped doing the sunset things. And they would sell up there and play music. Right, like just that way is the ocean. But yeah, I figured let's walk where I have not walked before. I'm looking around here. Mad Monkey's right back there. Let me go. See, I didn't know all this existed back here. Motorbike rentals back in there. Motorbike, little sorry store. That goes out to the ocean. We'll take that, but let's go check out the Mad Monkey. I am in the Mad Monkey now. Check it out. Really nice. First time back in here. Even an ATM machine. But isn't this cool looking? I think it's a party place to go. Look at that ceiling. Isn't that neat how that goes up there with that pole in the middle? Let me just do a little walk through here real quick. Drinks and eating. Pub quiz. Friday is beer pong. Party pool. Pool party. Of course, we have a few puppies. And isn't this nice? These little gems that are tucked back in. You wouldn't know they're even here until you walk back in. There's a pool back there, so they have a pool. Don't know if it's a rest. If you can stay here, don't know. I'm not going to ask. Look it up. I think it's more of a place to come, hang out, and party. So, anyways, let's keep strolling down here. These motorbikes here, if I were to guess, they're all rental bikes. So a lot of places you go here, they will have rental bikes available for you to rent. You need a motorbike or some type of rental vehicle to get around this island. You know, you think I'm just going to go to General Luna and everything's in General Luna. It is not. This island, when you come here, and I know people don't watch to get ideas or hints about the island, but you need it. To explore this island, you need it. You want to hang out in General Luna, down in the main area, and just sit down there and be like, oh yeah, I had a great time. You never explored the island. This is an exploring island. Exploring. All right, what do we got down here? It's ocean straight ahead. Heat and Soul Sundown Run. They do a lot of running here, like groups get together and they run marathons and different things. I have seen that on Facebook pages. Well, wow, look at this. Is nice. That's nice right there. I'm sure that's a you're paying, you know, room by the room rental. I'm trying to see the name on it. Can't see it. Let me get over here. Reside SIARGAO. Is that what it says? Reside SIARGAO. But nice, huh? Very nice. Nice decorations. Nice decorations. Nice vegetation, plants. Very nice. All right, I know where that goes. And the beach, of course, is right. Let's walk out here. And we'll walk back and call it a day. A hammock right there. Somebody's in. No, nobody's in the hammock. I see it moving, but nobody's in there. Tide is out. The tide is out. You can always come down here and tell. You got fishing boats here, tour boats here. I know they do tours out of here also, like island hopping tours and stuff. Now, who's in charge of all that? I don't know. Could be the resorts around here, this area. Remember General Luna from here, mile-wise, 4 miles or so? We're on the tail back end. You can always tell when tide's in and out just by coming here and looking. There's some swings here. Some swings. You want to swing? This is touristy. Let me cruise over here. It's beer 30. Beer time in the morning. Beer time. Come down here, you get a drink, hang out. Hey, how you doing? All right. That's it. And surfing. But anyways, that's kind of like the walk back in this area. Kanaway Surf Shop. This building here is new. Let me shoot over here quick, and then Luke's down there waiting for me. Well, you can see this road goes straight out into General Luna, the main area of General Luna. This takes you out to the Sunset Bridge, Neverland, and Canton Gun is down here. This is a new building. I've watched them build this building up. Welcome to Alternative Learning System. Dep Ed, it says. Government building? I don't know. It says, welcome to Alternative Learning System. Something about Dep Ed, Department of Education. All right. So we kind of just did a little loop there. First time ever going back in there. Seeing the Mad Monkey. I've driven by it. They used to have a cart sitting here from the smoking joint. It was called the Smoking Joint, which it is still up in General Luna. Best beef briskets I've ever had here in the Philippines. They had a little cart down here where you could get like macaroni and cheese. It was the best macaroni and cheese. It was phenomenal, phenomenal. And you could get cornbread. Yes, cornbread. Very good cornbread. Heat it up, put a little butter in there, and but the cart's gone. The cart's gone. It must not have made it enough business to justify it being right here, because it was right here. Cold plunge and sauna. There you go. Yeah, a lot has changed. A lot has definitely changed in General Luna. Going on 2 years now, just 2 years alone. We're not going back to when we first came over here. Oh God, 8 years ago? 8 years now, I think, give or take, before the boom, before everything got popular. Hey, all right. Mayang buntag. Good morning, Mayang buntag, my friend. All right, trike drivers or jeepney? Yeah. All right, how's business? Business good? Slow? It's good now? All right, good. Huh?
Not good because no more passenger.
Well,
Not good because no more passenger.
why is that?
Yeah, it's hard to find passenger this time.
Look at all you guys just hanging out here.
Yeah,
It's
we
like-
have a line here because we have to wait passenger from Monkey.
Okay, so they come out here and yeah. All right. This is your trike line
Yeah.
right here.
Yeah.
All right. Good talking to you. It's like a taxi cab station right here.
What is your name?
My name is Brian. Yes, sir. All right. All right. Check it out. See? That's their trike line. Anyways, guys, that's cool looking. I like that. Nice. Anyways, guys, Litz's probably yelling at me, screaming at me, but I can't hear her. Oh, there she is. She's waiting by the church. She's a church girl. She's a good girl. There she is. Why ya, man? Oh, no, that ain't her. I'm looking at some girl. That ain't even Lut. Oh, there's Lut. Any last words?
Anong last words? Grabe ka maka-last words.
Wow.
Ano yung last words?
She didn't.
Last words is...
She didn't like her breakfast. She wasn't pleased with it. Let's put it that way. She don't complain, but she wasn't pleased. So anyways, guys, we shall talk to you later.